Hey, what's up everyone, known as Geeks. I'm going to show you how to increase your page file or decrease your page file. But first things first, I'm going to explain what page file is. Basically, page file is memory. Memory that's stored on the hard drive itself. Not the hardware, like the main board of the hard drive itself. Just on the hard drive itself, like a flash drive or an internal drive or a thumb drive. What this does, it creates a virtual type of memory, so where some programs require you to use, like some games back in the days, you needed a page file in order to get good performance. But nowadays, not very many programs are being used for that. Most of the page files are used by developers. There are three ways for you to, that I know of, to get to your page file. Click on Start for XP, and XP you want to click on right-click My Computer and click Properties, Vista, and in My Computer you want to go ahead and click on Computer. You can go to click on Properties and then Advanced Settings. You'll see a user account control box. Click on Yes. You can't see it because Cam Studio does not capture this box. Yeah, this will happen if you click on No when you're doing the advanced user account control box. The other way for you to go to it is you click on Control Panel and you go to System and Security. Click on System and then Advanced Settings. And you want to click on Yes. But this time you don't need to do it because I'm showing you the other way. So you go back and you click on Category to show you the icons all separated instead of clumped into different areas, more organized, and you click on System and then Advanced System Settings. But I don't like the way this is. It's much easier, but I prefer doing this because it keeps my brain active. Sorry, I went to the wrong place. System, Advanced Settings, and then click Yes. So you go to Performance. If you're not in the Advanced tab, go to Performance, Visual Effects, Process Scheduling, Memory Usage, and Virtual Memory. Page file is also called Virtual Memory. You want to go to Advanced, and this is where you change your page file. I have mine at 2000 settings because I was using Windows Movie Maker. You can always, if you have more than one hard drive, you can always set it to a higher settings, or if you have like a dedicated, if you have an extra hard drive, you can always use that whole hard drive as a page file for maximum performance. You can have up to 80 gigs of memory, virtual memory. Every once in a while a program will require it, but you can always change it. Like, say for example, on your main drive, which is C drive, you can always change it. It will tell you here how much space is available for you to use. I have 85 gigs. I can use up to 85 gigs, but I don't want to use up to 85 gigs because that would take a lot of my space. It says here recommended 12,273. Currently allocated is 20,000, but I'm gonna you can automatically do it for all drives that you have on your computer, or you can just customize it, or you just don't want a paging file, just get rid of it completely. You'll always want to set it never OK. OK is like apply, or set is like click applying, just to apply that setting. So you want to click set. If you disable the page file or set the initialized size to less than 40 megabytes and system error occurs, Windows might not record details that could help identify the problem. Do you want to continue? And you can go ahead and click Yes, because I don't use it. I used to use it for Windows Movie Maker because it told me one time that I didn't have enough memory to save it on, and I used this, but it didn't help me at all. So I'm just going to go ahead and click Set, and go ahead and click OK. And sometimes it does ask you to record to restart, and sometimes it doesn't, but always restart if it doesn't ever ask you. So just make sure, yep, everything's fine, or you can automatically do it if you want. But I erased, I don't want any of the paging file because I don't use it. So you can always add what you want. Remember, 1024 is 1 gig, 2048 is 2 gigs, and so on. Whatever space you have, if you have a flash drive you want to use, external drive, an extra drive that you want to use, whatever, put whatever amount of memory you want on there. The bigger the better, but it's not always recommended to use paging file unless you're a developer, first time developer, or just seeking a little bit better performance. So yeah, so let's click OK, and then click OK, and then click OK again, and you'll see this box again if you want to restart your computer to apply these changes. I'm not going to restart it, I'll just restart later. Yeah, so that's basically about it, how to change your page file or virtual memory. If you have any questions, leave a comment in my pants below this video. If you want to learn something from a computer, like how to install, how to build a computer, how to put a computer together, how to do this, how to do that, tutorials, do it yourselves, whatever, just let me know, and I'll make a video and upload it within 2 to 3 days, depending how big it is. This is Known as Geeks. Thank you for watching.